Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your PayPal account onto your Swagbucks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your Google account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. Now from here, if you wish to add your PayPal account to the Swagbucks profile, then you will first need to make a withdrawal. In order to do this, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Redeem SB, which is the Redeem Swagbucks menu. From here you will find various different options to redeem your Swagbucks. Among these options, go ahead and click on PayPal, and now you can choose the amount that you wish to redeem by tapping on the appropriate option. After choosing your amount, you can tap on the Redeem button and you will then be asked to enter your PayPal account credentials. Just type in your email address and your password and then log into your PayPal account. And after you log in, your account will be linked onto your Swagbucks, and you will also be able to redeem your rewards through this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your PayPal account with your Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.